Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm going to explain you about Juice Beauty Instant Flash Facial Review. And in this video, I'll help you know whether Juice Beauty Instant Flash Facial is a legit product or a scam one. Guys, this is not our product. If you have never ordered this product before, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy this product or not? And if you have experienced any fraud over this product, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. And guys, the people from United States are looking forward for the information related to this product. So this is the image of this uh, instant facial, guys, and it is a face exfoliator facial that is beneficial for dehydrated and dull skin, and this facial also helps in balancing the skin microbiomes. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel, and let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this product as a scam or legit product. So let's start with the specifications of this particular instant flash facial product, and the price of this offering is $52. Apart from that, the official website or the manufacturer website is offering the product in 4 instant free payments of $13. You can also make the payment via 4 interest free payments with afterpay, guys. So this is an amazing thing, and it comes in a package of 60 ml tube. Apart from that, this is a face exfoliator, guys, which can be used in all skin types, especially in dull or dehydrated skin. And this product is plant derived and made with natural or organic substances, guys. Apart from that, this product is available on other online platforms as well, so you can check out this product on other e-commerce platform including ultra.com or epsi.com. Now talking about the pros, guys, so you can check out the benefits or pros of this product here. So talking about the pros, guys, this facial helps in smoothing the face skin and gives glowing complexion. It even apart from that, this product even up your skin tone, guys, and it is cruelty free and vegan, or this is ideal for the people who have dehydrated or dull skin, guys, and it is made with the natural ingredients that helps in restoring the look of suppleness of skin, guys. So these were the pros, and coming to the ingredient points, so you can check out the ingredients of this particular product for your knowledge and convenience. Now coming to the cons of this particular product, guys, so this is a bit expensive according to other facial products. And coming to the legitimacy points, so yes, the official website's domain age is 12th of November 2000. It means that this is an old website that define its legitimacy, guys. Apart from that, here you can read how to use it, and you can also watch the video of using this product. Now guys, talking about Juice Beauty Instant Flash Facial Reviews, we have found 4.7 rating out of 5 on the official website. Majority of the customer reviews are positive. One of the customers said, this is an interesting product. Another customer said, this product is not too strong for even sensitive skin. I have reordered this product several times. I use it twice per week while using the milk cleanser on other days. Really impressed with all my Juice Beauty products. So most of the customers are satisfied with the quality, with the results of this product, guys. However, we have found 3.4 rating out of 5 on one platform as well. So there are mixed reviews. Other customers have complaints regarding the quantity of the product. So this is totally up to you, guys. Mixed reviews are there. Apart from that, the official website has a strong social media presence on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube as well. So this is a positive sign that this is a recognizable and reputed brand which is offering this product. So yes, this product is a legit product, guys, but we highly recommend you to check out the product information before making any online purchase. Do proper research, and I request you all to share your experience with this product so that other customers can avail the benefits before investing their money. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, keep commenting, keep supporting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, then please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe, and thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.